Hey guys, Toolman Dan back again. So today we're going to do a review on this Masport 470 lawnmower. I picked it up from Bunnings for $450, which is really good value for what it is. It comes with a Briggs Stratton engine, which is a really strong engine. They last for years and years. Good thing about this, it comes with 5 years warranty. Which a lot of lawnmowers only come with 2 or 3 years warranty, so that's really great. So yeah, we're going to unbox it and put it to the test. So a couple of things we're going to need is some engine oil, because most of the time when you buy lawnmowers they don't come with any engine oil. Just make sure you get the right engine oil for the lawnmower. We'll need a funnel to top up the engine oil, and maybe a couple of screwdrivers to put it together. Alright guys, let's unbox it. So we've got to remove the staples in the box, which you'll need your screwdriver for, because they're pretty hard to get out. These over here. Okay, so on the lid of the box, which you can't see on the camera, it just gives you a few instructions, saying to put engine oil in it and just to get it, how to get it ready. Put petrol in it, tells you what oil you need and what fuel you need as well, so that's really good. Use the plastic. Got the catcher, comes in pieces. Put that there. This up. And the rest of the catcher. Put it on the floor for now. So you got a separate owner's manual, not just the one that was on the box. Okay, so now we're going to pull the lawnmower out. You might need 2 people for this because it might be a little bit heavy, but we'll see how we go. Put this on the floor. Okay, so looks like it comes mostly assembled already, so that's great. There's not too much to do by the looks of it. What's really cool about this lawnmower is the handles, a quick release, so you don't have to waste time unscrewing them. You can just quickly release them. So these handles here, they're quick release, which is really efficient. Both sides. And then the handle just falls down. So, give you a close-up of the engine. So, Briggs Stratton. It's 140cc. There's a 5-year warranty. It's also 2-in-1, catch and mulch. The engine, made in the USA, which is really good. Alright, let's put it together. So this is the height controller. So you just click it to whatever height you want. It goes pretty high. So that can be good if you have really long grass or if you need to cut some weeds. That'll work good. And it's pretty easy to operate as well. You just push the lever forward or out, push it out, and it goes up and down. So that's good. Okay, so as I was saying, they don't come with any engine oil. They come just with a little bit. So we have to top it up to make it full. So just check with the owner's manual how much oil your lawnmower takes, but this one takes 440 ml. And try not to overfill it. So I'm using this engine oil here. I bought it from Bunnings as well. It's specific for this engine. So it's SAE 30 engine oil for 4-stroke engines. And we're just going to top it up slowly and keep checking the level. Okay, that's spot on. Now we can go and put some petrol in, because it's got no petrol as well, and just top it up slowly. Try to avoid some spillage. Okay, so they don't take too much because it's just a small lawnmower. Let's say it probably takes a litre and a half maybe. Okay, that's good. You don't have to fill it right up. Put the cap back on. Make sure it's tight. Clean up any spillage. Okay, and that should be ready to go now. Now we'll put the catcher together so you guys can see how that goes on. That's the bottom half. And then this is the top. So it looks like it just clips together. Just with these little clips here. Clips into this side. Sit it on top nicely. Make sure all the clips line up. And then just push it together. Okay, and that's it. So that's what it looks like. Nice and red, cool colours. Got your little handle here at the back as well. Easy to tip out the grass. Okay, so now we're going to insert the catcher into the lawnmower. But first things first, the mulches in here. So we have to pull out the mulcher. So that's the mulcher. It sits in there and mulches the grass, but we won't be using that today because I got nothing to mulch. So we'll leave that over here. Then lift up the back part, insert the catcher, and make sure it clips in. Once it's clipped in, it's ready to go. So I'll just show you that again. Really simple. Insert it, and then clip it in. Okay, let's go outside and put it to the test. Just put the lever here, all the way up. Let's start it. Okay guys, so that was amazing. It starts so easy, the engine's extremely quiet, and it cuts the grass fantastically. So all in all from me, it's a thumbs up. Definitely worth it. I highly recommend it. And yeah, what a great product. Look at this. How easy is that? Now you can just pack it up and it's good for next time. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the review. Don't forget, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.